make money in markets, you don't have to jump in and out of many stocks. In your entire investment career, even if you are able to find 5 to 6 great investment opportunities, the job is done and the goal of wealth creation is achieved.
Started in 2009, Alpha Invesco is a SEBI registered investment advisor. We believe that any advice without the skin in the game is a worthless advice. We do not recommend any stock idea unless our own money is invested in the same, which makes sure that our and clients' interests are aligned.
Our approach is to find companies that are small today and can become big tomorrow.
At any point of time, we do not have more than 12 to 15 stock ideas. It helps us to track these stocks very closely and helps you to build meaningful positions in them.
All stock recommendations are divided into buy, hold and exit lists. We make sure that there is absolute clarity on every suggested stock idea. There are regular client interactions and alerts that help you to stay updated.
When it comes to stock selection, we have two important criteria. First one is that the stock has to have at least 5x potential in the medium to long run. If the stock does not have the potential to go up by more than 5 times, we are not interested in it. Second is that any new stock idea that we add has to be better than the existing ones.
Our research is not just about the numbers, the ratios, or the financials. The crux of the business lies in the qualitative aspect of the company, which can only be defined by meeting the management, the dealers, or every possible person involved in building the business.
Not only that the quality of the research is very good, but the follow-up action as to when an investor is supposed to exit and around what price range he has to exit, what price range he has to buy, whenever the market falls, all these instructions come. And there is a perceptible feeling, at least in me, that these people, this outfit is not after money. They are only after great ideas which can be translated into good wealth.
There are no complex strategies or any active trading involved. Their strategies are as such which can be easily implemented by any retail investor. And being a trader myself, through Alpha Invesco, I've realized that holding on stocks with good potential for a longer time gives you higher returns in stock market.
Now I've realized that the best way to create wealth in stocks is to hold high growth stocks for a very long period of time. I don't think there is any other way to do it.
Most of the investors don't know when to exit the stock. Exiting a stock is more important than entering it. My experience with Alpha Invesco is that they give you the exact calls when you have to exit, and that's a very assuring part from them.
They are not after ideas which are known to everyone, which are well discovered and which can grow only 15 to 20% in a year, because for that there are dime a dozen people who can give such ideas. But these ideas, undiscovered stocks, which are today mid caps and which have the capacity to grow 5 times or even 7 times, or in certain cases 10 times also. To float these ideas requires huge research, huge conviction and confidence.
What makes Alpha Invesco different is our focus on very few stock ideas with great potential enables an actionable investment strategy. Our clients are able to create a portfolio and hold on to it.
Our model of fundamental and field research helps us in building longer and sustainable conviction in creating wealth for us and our clients.